Hey guys, it's Sterling W. Today we're going to show you how to clean pet stains, food stains, and other stains off of your carpet, white carpet. So we'll do some carpet cleaning, some vacuuming with a Bissell Spot Clean Pro, which is really awesome. So Bissell Spot Clean Pro, we had this for over 6 years, works really well, very compact and very lightweight. We also have a sturdy brush as well as some Resolve Pet Expert Cleaner. This is really useful because it's very straightforward to use. The Spot Clean Pro from Bissell, like I said, is great. It has great suction power. This is one of the best of the spot cleans. The Pro version is still the better of all the other ones we've tried, and it's very simple to use. And here's the steps. If you want to pause the video and take a look at it, as well as we only use it for spot cleaning. We could use it in our car as well as on our carpet. We have a lot of carpet surfaces. It also comes with its own solution, which we really don't use, to be honest. We actually use Resolve. This is actually a lot simpler and faster, and you just have to remove the dirt, spray it on, leave it for like 4 minutes or so, and then basically you should just let it dry. That's what it says in the instructions. But by using a Bissell cleaner, we could actually make it look virtually new again. So we could totally remove it. Now we are basically filling it with hot tap water into the Bissell fill tank, and we're not filling it all the way. We don't need to carry all that water. We just go do some spot cleaning. There's still the original professional solution. We never used it. It's still in the box. It's been 6 years. Never used it at all. We just used the Resolve. It works a lot faster and better, especially when we're doing spot cleaning like this. So for your for the cleaning, you ever remove the solids or anything else on top of it, you go spray over it for about 4 minutes and let it sit. After it does its thing, go ahead and brush it in so that it starts cleaning. It sometimes becomes more it just disappears. The stain actually disappears very quickly as soon as you agitate it after the 3-minute mark. You can also do this again if you want, but after agitating it with a brush, it pretty much kind of just becomes like that. It just kind of disappears. If you have like other stuff, you might want to like pet vomit, you might want to wait until it dries before you do it. Otherwise, it's just going to smush into the rug. Afterwards, go ahead and use your hot tap water and Bissell Spot Clean Pro, spray over it, and then basically suck out all the dirt. It sucks through the carpet and takes out a lot of the dirt. It's very relaxing and very soothing to actually see all that dirt get sucked out and the water and stuff. If you don't have a Bissell Spot Clean Pro, you could always just use like a wet dry vac and do this, but we noticed that this Bissell Spot Clean Pro is one of the better ones. We just want to basically clean off the stain, let the Resolve take care of it first, and then use the hot water to actually just do a rinse and suck up all the dirt. So that's it, guys. All you need is those 3 things, and it's very, very quick and simple and easy. It takes about 10 minutes per spot. That's all it is, folks. This is Sterling W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.